Leading us off this hour is the heartbreaking testimony in the manslaughter trial of Tony Earls.
Earls is charged in the shooting death of 9-year-old Arlene Alvarez back in 2022. Earls claims he was firing at a man who had just robbed him at an ATM and mistakenly hit the child who was riding in a car with her family. Arlene's father taking the stand today describing the moment his daughter was killed.
Matt Doherty is live at the Harris County Criminal Justice Center to walk us through day one of testimony. Matt?
Yeah, the last testimony that we heard this afternoon was from Arlene's father. He was the one who was driving that truck the night Arlene was killed. Armando Alvarez testified that on Valentine's night back in 2022, he got home from work just before 8 p.m. He says he decided to take his family to dinner to Spanky's, one of Arlene's favorite spots. Before they got to the restaurant, Armando Alvarez stopped at a Chase Bank where the family would soon learn a man had just been robbed. Alvarez testified that he saw a man in a mask running down the street. Soon after that, another man, who he identified as defendant Tony Earls, began shooting his gun.
I seen Arlene's head hit forward in my console. I thought she had ducked down, but she didn't. It was really because she had a bullet in her head.
And what was Armando doing at that moment?
He did go down. He did duck down.
And was he saying anything at that point?
He started screaming that Arlene got hit. Something happened to Arlene.
Tony Earls is now charged with manslaughter in the death of the 9-year-old. Prosecutors say he acted recklessly when he fired his gun that night, claiming he was responsible for all 10 shots. Defense attorneys argue that Texas law allows someone to shoot a fleeing armed robber. A robbery suspect has never been caught in this case. Now, it's taken more than 3 years to get to this point. Last month, the charge was changed from a murder charge to a manslaughter charge. And of course, this trial continues tomorrow. Back to you.
Matt Doherty with a detailed overview of testimony on day one. Thank you. We'll have more tomorrow. And you can follow the trial all this week on KHOU 11 Plus. We'll be streaming every minute of testimony. Download KHOU 11 Plus on your TV and watch for free.